Lego lovers, welcome back to He Builds. Just for a change, we are doing a small Legos. So today we're doing a Lego creator just for a change. So this is 3 in 1. Dirt bike, motorbike, dirt bike, race car. Let's start building. Let's see what's inside. Do you record? So today we're choosing this one to build. Okay, let's start the hyperlapse. Alright, we are done with the motorcycle. Thank you for watching. As always, please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you like it. Thanks, bye!